Have you ever wondered how the most successful production lines in the world stay on top? It all boils down to mastering the art of efficiency and traceability. Today, we dive into 5 crucial strategies that transform average production environments into stellar ones. First up, tracking real-time overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE. This metric helps you understand the true performance of your machinery. By measuring the availability, performance, and quality of equipment, businesses can pinpoint exactly where improvements are needed. Implementing real-time OEE tracking involves setting up sensors and software that feed data continuously, allowing for immediate action and adjustments. The benefit? A significant reduction in equipment failures and an uptick in productivity. Next, let's talk about monitoring downtime. Downtime not only halts production, but also devours profitability. By deploying automated monitoring systems, companies can immediately identify when and why a machine stops working. This quick identification helps in swiftly addressing issues, minimizing idle time, and increasing output. Remember, every minute saved is a minute earned. Moving on to improving production efficiency. This broad goal can be achieved through several fine-tuning steps like optimizing workflow, reducing material waste, and enhancing worker training programs. Adopting lean manufacturing principles and continuous improvement strategies can lead to more efficient use of resources and better product quality. Efficiency isn't just about speed, it's about smart work. On to accurate production planning. This involves using data-driven approaches to forecast demand, allocate resources, and schedule production runs effectively. Advanced planning software can integrate historical data and real-time insights, allowing for precision that manual planning simply cannot match. The result? A smoother operation, less waste, and happier customers. Lastly, enhancing process traceability. This is crucial in industries where compliance with safety and quality standards is a must. Implementing comprehensive traceability systems ensures every product can be tracked through every stage of production. This not only aids in recall processes but also boosts consumer trust in your brand. In summary, by tracking real-time OEE, monitoring downtime, improving production efficiency, planning accurately, and enhancing traceability, businesses not only streamline their operations, but also boost their bottom line. Implementing these strategies isn't just about keeping up. It's about setting the pace in a competitive landscape. So, take these insights, apply them diligently, and watch as your production line turns into a benchmark of efficiency and quality in the industry.